It's been a while since we did one of these. I think you guys can see I love to try and sing, but what the fuck? I should not, right? But anyways, that's all the fun and games of everything, man. Everybody thinks very beautiful about themselves, and so you should, but not in a non-arrogant way, of course. But guys, this video is going to change your life. And if you want to know exactly what is about to happen, and make sure to stay tuned right to the very end of this video because I have alpha that will change your life and your family's life. This is part number 2 from our beautiful, beautiful crypto gaming video from last week. And we have a ton of videos left to do for that. So we have 3 more of those videos. But in the meantime, I've been trying to catch up on some videos for you guys, and I'm going to continue to give you loads of alpha. And are you ready or are you not? Because you should be getting a video shortly here. You can see it's 3 minutes to 4 on the clock here. So just about ready to have another video. Guys, if you're trading with me, make sure to use my Bybit link down below. Get yourself up to $30,000 deposit bonus, and your Bitflex link down below can get you up to $88,888 bonuses. Now remember that is together $128,000 in bonus. And as you can see here, we got an incredible moment that is busy unfolding here right now. So we're bouncing off here, shoulder, head, shoulder, as I continue to share with you. So Bitcoin will be the leader of that, and that's why my Bitcoin trade continues to be in profit. But I will probably start to add into this position by tomorrow evening so that I can ensure that we have an incredible moment of trading here to make some money. Make sure you guys are subscribed to my Twitter page as well. I am continuing to share stuff with you all day, every day, in every wonderful way. That's just what it is. Now, of course, we have to know and unfold a number of things. But let's start off with understanding this. The cryptocurrency market cap is currently sitting at about $2.4 trillion, $2.37 trillion to be more exact. The trading volume is very low at about $70.5 billion, with a substantial amount of that being Bitcoin and Ethereum and Tether. So Tether continues, it's pretty much remained stable at the moment by just not going over that 111 billion level in their pool. So there's a lot here, guys. So many things that are happening. And I don't think you should be missing out on anything here, guys. But essentially, what it is that I'm about to show you is going to change your life. So let's get to it. Firstly, I want to show you this. Because Ethereum is the leading altcoin in the crypto space, okay? It is very simple. We have had this cycle here, and if I go back, you can probably see the same. If you'd like, I could do that at that point over there, but I'm not going to do that for the sake of keeping this video nice and clean and directed to what we're looking at in this video regarding the next level of our gaming degeneracy, which we have to reveal. Now, bearing in mind that I did this on the 17th of April was the last time I did a video 3 weeks ago with you guys. So the position and the date and the current price and the market cap price could be somewhat slightly different today at the time of recording this video. But more or less, you have a much better opportunity at accumulating, considering that we have seen a complete drop in the market over the last actually like 1.5 months, essentially. Now, what does that mean for us? Well, if we zoom in a little bit on Ethereum, have a look at the top level here at the peak and have a look at the next peak from the exit of the bear market. Look at where that is. Now, this is the first peak on the exit of the bear market. Very same as there, very much same as there. We have a number of months that just travel sideways for us, okay, from this point, which is essentially going to happen now because we're going to try and establish some sort of level of support probably on this area. And this is why I waited to do this with you guys on this video, because this is probably going to be our zone of support right now, which essentially, as you can see, is a very, very strong level. So that would have ended up looking like something like this. We could potentially just see a drift down in Ethereum down to like 2,500. I doubt we're going to go, much lower than that, because the PMO right here is getting a price moving oscillator. Okay, is about to tell us. Go check it out in your indicators here on TradingView. But you can see that even though we've got a few sideways months potentially here, I would like to say to you, check this out. Okay, before we started to see the rally, so we had 1 down, 2 down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 monthly candles after, okay, after these 2 red candles that you saw over there. After. So 14 months. Let's go and count here together. And let's put a little marker there for us on that point. Okay. Just so in future we can come back and have a very close look at this. Now, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Isn't it ironic that is pretty much right at the end of my downsloping trend, which is pretty much like, not like that one. So this one, we've had a stronger trajectory. Now, not only that, guys, we also have a cup pattern forming here and a potential handle pattern forming. Even if we did like a long extended handle over here, we would still start to get a breakout out of this level. So I'm going to extend this right down to there, because honestly, 14 months ahead, that takes us to like mid-July next year, which means we have a very long time to continue to accumulate altcoins. Okay, because only once Ethereum does this massive push up do we actually get the major, absolutely beautiful crypto altcoin bull run. Now, last thing I want to show you before we leave this chart is that, noticing where we're at, from this point down here at the bottom to the peak of this, could we potentially see that very, very same potential move on Ethereum, possibly taking us up to 8,383. Nice round numbers there. Possibly, guys, that would be a fair statement, considering if you can see how that bull run was, and potentially this bull run could end up looking. So that is a potential. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below, but let's get into the video right now. So the top gaming coins by market cap is 19.6 billion. The last time I did the video for you guys back here 3 weeks ago, this was actually sitting at around 30 to 31 billion. So you can see that it's already dropped 33% more or less, which shows you the volatility in the space. However, with that being said, that is a very good opportunity when the markets are shitting themselves and in fear. Because right now, even though we're in neutral, we've actually been in this greed territory for a number of months at the moment, and it's always good to have a pullback. This gives you and I an opportunity at over the next few months to continue to accumulate altcoins, especially considering that it isn't altcoin season just yet, as I've shown you of my previous videos. If you go and watch this one, my live, this one, I'm showing you where the altcoin season index is. Now, let's move along into sharing a number of other cryptopreneurs in the space where we look at altcoin charts. Shout out to the Scalping Pro, one of my favorite Twitter or X mentors. Support, pump, downtrend. Support, accumulate, pump, breakout, uptrend, downtrend. Accumulation phase, support, up, breakout, pump uptrend. Now, I'm pretty confident I just showed you something like that on Ethereum, considering where we're breaking out of these levels. So if you're accumulating underneath this zone, I'm going to personally say to you that you're still relatively early. But the moment it starts to break out of here, I'm going to say to you that you are late. Now, generally, a trader would wait for that conviction of the breakout of that point. So, yes, maybe a day or two out of that break, a week to 2 weeks max out of that breakout point. But then, my gosh, we are going to see an insane bull cycle from that point. And you can see that just happens over and over. And we continue to go up in the altcoin market cap too, bringing the entire altcoin and entire market cap of crypto way up. So not only that, but another one from Alt Crypto Prof. Boom, downtrend, accumulation trend, breakout, retest, support, pump. Downtrend, accumulate, COVID crash, breakout, retest, pump. Downtrend, accumulate, breakout, retest. Need I say it once more? Now, let's move on to one last chart that I have for you before we get into the crypto pump that I'm about to show you. I haven't shown you this total 2 chart for a number of months. Just please bear with me, of course, guys. And if you are still here with me, I'm going to show you why you subscribe to my channel, why you are here with me, why you actually love being here with me. Now, even though on total 2, which shows me that with Ethereum being the leader of the altcoins and this candle engulfing this candle, we could potentially just see a nice little hopscotch and a rotch right here along this level. But what we do need is for this 20 moving average to really start to pick up, which means that we could still kind of crash here. We could still float around here. The likelihood of us breaking this candle's low is a little bit low, but this is what we'd expect to see out of our moving averages and getting our moving averages on the go, especially considering that we have right here at the same point, the beautiful PMO is literally about to have a major crossover. Look at that. Okay, we're on the verge of this happening, whether you like it or not. And the moment it does start to happen, okay, we look at what happened even here, and it's just flatlined there. This is coming from the bottom. I am expressing to you that we are about to experience the biggest altcoin and crypto and Bitcoin bull cycle in the history of humankind, in the history of crypto, in the history of technology. This is going to be the biggest bull cycle. And I say that because also the money printers just keep going brr, 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 brr. It just is what it is. So don't fade it, just trade it. Okay. Now let's go and have a discussion about our coins, guys, because that is why you are here. I didn't need to give you conviction, but because I haven't done a video for you guys over the last 3 weeks regarding this, I wanted to just show you and share with you that there are other people that are very convicted that there are coins in this market cap, in the gaming altcoin market cap as well, that are about to explode. And if we're about to see massive liquidity come into the space, bearing in mind that that is a $1.6 trillion level up there at the top, let alone the rest of what we could possibly be experiencing, very much the same as Ethereum. So if we are to take that and point it out there, we could potentially see a $3 to $4 trillion potential market cap in altcoins. That would be juicy. And now number 1 in the medium risk category is obviously none other than Illuvium. Illuvium. So here is Illuvium, guys, and Illuvium currently is all the way at 150. You see what I mean? It went down a little bit. It's lost like 16% market cap in the last 7 days, but I'm still chilled with that. I'm going to continue to invest in Illuvium because Illuvium is one of those games in the crypto space that did ballistic. It's currently sitting at an $84 price and could potentially just back up to its all-time high, hit a $2,000 price. That's just to its all-time high. That's let alone what you could make beyond that. Now, coin number 2 is, and I'm going to cruise through these ones, guys, because you can see that I've actually got about 20 coins in this stash because it is a big stash. GMT is number 2. Okay, GMT, my second coin here, currently sitting at 21 cents. We could probably see GMT hit maybe around 15 to $20, guys. 18 to $20, I would say. And that would be absolutely incredible to get some GMT on the spot, taking us to much higher levels. I actually predicted here a $102 price, but that could be a little bit into the future. I'm not saying this is going to happen this bull cycle, but what I've just shown you leading up to this point in this video should be conviction enough for you to see that we are about to see the biggest, most insane gain in crypto. So bless up to you guys, drinking my green tea here. Yeah, man. Coin number 3 is Scale. Scale right here. Love this project too. I think this project could probably hit like $5 to $7, giving us possibly a good 100x on that coin. Even though I said $48 here. Who knows, guys? Who knows what potentially? But look at the potential of the market caps. If meme coins could hit $200 billion in this cycle, Shiba and Dodge hit like 80 and 60 respectively $billion the previous cycle. And there's more liquidity, ETFs, more trustworthiness in the space that is coming out, more regulations starting to appear, more trust in this space. Okay. Why would we not see some of the biggest games backed by some of the biggest players coming in at $200 billion? Very easy for them to do with a bit of time and a bit of patience. Now, coin number 4 is going to blow your mind out the water. What are you in for when you see Engine Coin? Engine Coin is massive in NFTs. It's massive in gaming. It helps to facilitate a number of NFTs connections to games, and it's basically an onboarding platform for the NFT gaming sector. Very incredible project. I do own some Engine, I do own some GMT, I do own some Illuvium. Any of these that I don't own, I will let you know. But of course, because I'm building this portfolio for all of us, I am slowly but surely intending on adding these to my portfolio. As you've seen, we still possibly have a bit of time left, especially considering that I would say to you that the majority of the gains that we're going to see in this cycle are very much probably going to come at the last kind of 6 months in this bull cycle. And why do I think that this bull cycle will be more longer is because, of course, we have elections later on this year in the US, which could possibly and perhaps stall a few things until the elections actually take place. Because as you guys can see, president candidacy or ex-president like Donald Trump, who's running for this presidency at the moment, is pro-crypto. I did show you guys this on my video here the other day. If you guys didn't go and see that, make sure to go and check those videos out. I'll leave them in the cards above for you. And if you're enjoying this so far, hope you have subscribed to my YouTube page and my Twitter page, and I would really appreciate that, you blessed and beautiful souls. Now, let us go back to our page here, and of course, we're going to recognize that we are literally making some insane gains here at number 5 with Pixels. As you can see here, Pixels, where else? Pixels dropped heavy down, but that's okay. You can see there's many others on here that I haven't put in, guys, but there are projects worth looking, especially like the top 100 in the gaming sector as well. Like, I would be very strong about looking at those. So there is, of course, much conviction for you guys that you should have for yourself. I'm just sharing my conviction points with you. Now, of course, Pixels is very interesting. It's one of it's a partnership with Google, and it also is an NFT gaming play. So 37 cents right now is very cheap at a $287 million market cap. I think this thing could hit into a couple billions. And if it did that, that would probably give us at least a 10, 20, 30, 40, 50x. Okay. Very, very simple. Coin number 6. Look how much gains we're making here, guys. Look how many gains we're making. We're getting rich. None other than Yield Guild Games. Love this project. Do own a very small bag of that. Haven't got any pixels yet. And haven't got any scale yet. But Yield Guild Games, definitely, guys. This is a 100x coin for me. Sitting at a $300 million market cap. I think this thing could hit $8 no problem, and we could see massive gains. Now, I put here even more because I actually think this coin could really absolutely fundamentally change people's lives financially and in the blockchain ecosystem. And that is exactly why I have put here that the future price of this coin could potentially be close to $1,500 at a $450 billion valuation. You would literally take $1,000 and 160x this into a $1.6 million trade. That would be insane, guys. Look how wealthy we're getting already. Let's go move on to number 7. And then we shall find the wilder worlds right here. Insane project. A number of these are backed by Alex Becker and a whole bunch of other players in the space, guys. Now, especially with the beautiful platform that we are seeing coming out with the a launchpad experience, we're in this for the massive, massive market game changers. And when we work our way down here, this is still early. I've got a ton of bags that we are still waiting to share with you. So let's move on here when we are looking at Yield Guild Guardians. That is going to change your life. Now, of course, Wilder Worlds will change your life too. I think Wilder Worlds maybe has like a 50x on it. I'm not quite sure. I mean, could be a little bit more. But I am putting like these wild, crazy gains here for you guys because that is the maximum potential. And the worst potential is they just fall on their ass and they do nothing. But that's very unlikely at this point. Coin number 8 is WaxP. Now, WaxP, okay, is also an NFT platform, and it's a very interesting game. It's had a massive marketing campaign that has pushed it and pumped it over the last little while, taking this thing from like a few tens of millions of dollars to like $200 million market valuation already, let alone what it could be doing in the bull cycle. I think this thing has a 100x on it, no problem. Hence me putting it at about $28, $30. Very, very simple, I think, for it to do. I think we're going to see trillions. In fact, I know we're going to see trillions because I've just shown you that trillions will unfold into this market. Coin number 9 on this beautiful is Magic. Coin number 9 is Magic, guys. I don't know about you, but I own a good bag of Magic. Magic is one of those coins that have had a very interesting start, right? Running on the Optimism blockchain, it is one of those that have a lot to share with us from NFTs and especially from a gaming perspective. Like so many incredible games on Magic with incredible graphics and a whole lot more. I think that's got a massive potential to pump to the moon and beyond, hence a $200 million market cap, giving us a potential return of a 1000x, taking our $1,000 to $1 million, guys. You can see how big these coins are for us, right? So coin number 10 is GuildFi. Of course, GuildFi. Here you go. Here you go. It's fallen hard. Look at the fall. Look at how these coins fall. 16%. Good time to buy, right? $1,000 of that coin probably gets you like 333 coins now. Whereas here, oh, sorry, 3,333 coins. Whereas here, I said the $1,000 will get you about 3,000 coins. So you're buying 32 cents and what's it now? 31.8. So you're going to get you some more coins for that same bang buck. All right. You're going to make massive gains there too, potentially about 800x gains. Now remember, guys, this is a medium risk portfolio. So obviously, like, that's why it's degeneracy. Coin number 11 is Blue Zell. Blue Zell is up here. Very interesting project. Think you should go and check it out yourself. 37 cents at the moment. Very small market cap. I think this thing could definitely 50 to 100x as well. Go and see why. I'm not showing you any reviews on these coins, guys. I'm only going to work out the price point of investing $1,000 in these coins and what potential gains you could potentially be making. And that's why this is called gaming degeneracy, because you could stand a chance to risk and lose. But if you guys look at this value just on the blue chip gaming coins. We said $9,000 in the blue chip gaming coins could potentially make you an estimate of about $1.1 million. Now, imagine what I'm about to show you in the medium degeneracy when we've already had like a couple thousand X's in this point. So 1,000 X's are possible, but you have to be patient and you have to invest at the right time, of course. Coin number 12 is SLP, Smooth Love Potion. Now, I own a decent chunky bag of Smooth Love Potion. Honestly, I bought this probably when I first got into crypto, like maybe a year after I first got into crypto, and I've never really sold it. Okay, it doesn't have that much utility, but it is one of the utility coins for our very, very beautiful own Axie Infinity, which is, of course, in the blue chip rating coins. Okay, so I would definitely look at that. I think it has a massive potential. I think it's got a long way to go because of what it's doing for Axie and the gaming side, the gaming industry. So go and check Slow Love Potion out. Hooked Protocol. And guys, I just want to say to you, this video is not financial advice, of course. I'm sharing these coins with you because I'm sharing what coins I'm potentially buying or have bought or am going to buy. I'm not just sharing with you things that I am not doing. That is not what we do and here at Crypto Bliss. And that's why coin number 13 is Hooked Protocol. I'm not sponsored by any of these people, nothing. Okay, and I'm not just shilling coins for the sake of shilling. I have better things to do with my time, guys. So I'm here and I'm showing you what it is that I'm looking for investing because I spent countless hours researching which coins you should be potentially backing and putting your capital into. Now, with that being said, Hook Protocol, definitely a very, very interesting project and a seamless project to consider. And currently, Hook Protocol is at, there you go, boom, at 84 cents at the moment, $130 million market cap. I think this thing has a 100x in it. A 100x in it, no problem. So let us go on to coin number 14 is Oasis. Now, Oasis I really like actually. So here is Oasis down at 5 cents. We've lost a bit of, a bit of space. We've gone, check this out, guys. It's literally just blood in the streets. Blue Zell's the only one that's pumped up a little bit. Everything else, Gamer Coin inbox is up. But if we're looking at Oasis. Oasis has done some interesting things. Now, Oasis is a water-backed crypto project. So it helps fund water projects. And by funding these water projects and sharing water technology and information on water, drinkable water, water processing, etc., you earn yourself crypto. You can use that crypto to buy more water and continue to unfold the services because, of course, you want to, on an ongoing basis, test your water and do a number of really cool things. So coin number 15 in our medium degeneracy pack is Guild of Guardians, guys. Guild of Guardians, insane project. Absolutely insane. I do own me a good bag of Guild of Guardians. 23 cents. Down hard at the moment. No problemas. Accumuletas. 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 Massive game, this, guys, with massive popularity. And I can assure you right now that we are very much likely going to see a number of these games go ballistic very, very soon. So I hope you are listening to my beautiful information here. And of course, as I said, this isn't financial advice. I'm just sharing with you some really cool coins. Now, Myria, this for me is a 1000x coin, guys. And if you don't see the potential of Myria, I don't know what is going on. But this thing is only at $100 million, meaning 1000x could take us up to about a $10 billion, $100 billion market cap. Now, currently, I said $100 billion market cap would get us to about a $5.76 price. There's your 1000x. Right now, it's sub the price that we were looking at here. So why would you not? Why would you not, guys? Right now is a very good time. Coin number 17 is Vulcan Forge. Definitely back project by or PYR, backed by Alex Becker. Loves this project, and so many other people do. It's a massive, beautiful game, and it's on the rise to help other games in the gaming ecosystem grow. So, very, very interesting game, that for sure, guys. Now, coin number 18, guys, you are going to love this one. It's a very, very interesting one. This one is a beautiful coin. When this coin originally came out, my neighbor Alice, I originally got an airdrop of this coin. I must have got like 14,000 of these coins. But if I had held it and been patient with my airdrop, because I got it for free, why would I sell it when it gets airdrop? Because then I'm selling it when people are selling the coins, because they're just trying to take money, just like I did. Okay. But if I learned my lesson, this thing went up to like $25 with an airdrop of 14,000 coins. Okay, I would have had nearly $500,000 in an airdrop. Okay, at that point, I would say to you, please just hang on, just be patient, just wait. These things are young. We're still super early, as I have been saying. We're just kind of here at the moment. We're like just hanging out here, there. We still have all of this just in this cycle, let alone what it continues to do ongoing on an onward, upward trend of support. I hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. I'm going to love and leave you, of course, with the last 2 to 3 coins, and then we will see you on the next one. If you have enjoyed this, I hope you subscribe to my Twitter as well as my YouTube, and let's get cracking on the last beautiful, beautiful coin here before we reveal the total potential of massive, massive gains in profit we could potentially be making. Nakamoto Games. Insane. Nakamoto Games, guys. Nakamoto Games. Another one of those. And Crypto Banter is a Nakamoto Games fan. So you can see it's not only me. This is $100 million market cap. It's teeny tiny little Mochikoloche. Okay. Even if those small coins had to start coming up to these market caps, okay, up here, we would see some massive, massive gains from these coins. So if you have enjoyed this, I hope you can subscribe to the channel. Let's get going on how much you would potentially have had to invest right here, about $19,000. So just shy of $20,000 here in these degenerate gaming medium risk portfolio, guys. You can choose, just select what you want. I mean, if you even want to select, pause this video and select the biggest gains here and invest only in those, cool. But remember, it's higher risk, of course. Higher risk, higher reward. That is just the rule of the game. Now, with all of these crazy, insane gains here, okay, you can see that we're probably well over a $10 million potential market. Now, this says to us that would give us an estimate of just these gaming coins just in the medium risk at about 4.2 trillion. I've previously said to you guys that I would say that we would probably see this cycle go ballistic and probably hit around a 20 trillion, 15 to 20 trillion dollar market cap cycle. That would make gaming for me one of the biggest, most successful potential candidates for this bull cycle, considering that more and more people are looking to play games and make money with just playing games. It's as simple as that. Really as simple as that. And you make so much money. You can do with your life what it is that you choose. Your time is in your control, and you don't run and live the rat race. And that's why you guys have subscribed to my Crypto Bliss channel, because you guys know that I'm bringing you absolute killer alpha right here, right now. And if you appreciated that, please give me a thumbs up and share this video with people that you believe would want to succeed in life, that want to be financially free. This is a small amount of money for you to be considering absolutely making insane gains. I mean, we are talking about turning $19,000 into about $22.1 million. Mad gains, guys. Mad gains. That is literally like 1,100x just on the medium portfolio. So essentially combined so far, if you took 9,000 and 19,000, call it $18,000, your potential investment return on investment could potentially be like 23, 24 million dollars so far from a very small $28,000. Guys, I love you all. I hope you appreciate this video. If you have, show some love. Appreciate you all. See you on the next one.